This is the Eureka E10s robot vacuum, and we've had it for about 4 months. I've been really impressed with its suction power. It will suck up really large pieces of food. It also mops, which is great, so it sucks up the items on the floor and then mops. We have a lot of rugs throughout our home, and it has no problem getting over the rugs. It also lifts the mopping function so your rug doesn't get wet. As you can see, it has little bristles that spin around and around, which is nice because then it gets underneath things like the foot of the table there. But then on the next pass, when it comes around, it will suck all the debris up. So it really does well about getting underneath things also. It's really well getting around objects. No issue with that at all. Overall, I have absolutely been loving this thing. It's made my life a heck of a lot easier. One last thing to mention, I love that once it's all done cleaning, it goes to the docking system automatically and then just sucks up all the debris that was inside the vacuum.